Music. Welcome to my BetterHelp review. Links are below. BetterHelp is a popular online therapy platform making mental health support accessible and convenient. It connects you with licensed therapists through a secure app, addressing concerns like anxiety, depression, and relationship issues. It's perfect for those wanting flexible therapy without in-person appointments. BetterHelp's standout feature? Seamless therapist matching. A short questionnaire about your needs and goals pairs you with a suitable therapist. Switch therapists anytime, free of charge, for a truly personalized experience. Communicate via video, phone, live chat, or unlimited messaging, keeping in touch between sessions. BetterHelp is incredibly accessible, offering subscription plans with weekly sessions and tech support. This flexibility benefits busy schedules, frequent travelers, and those in areas with limited local options. Therapy is available in multiple languages, with specialists for LGBTQ+ individuals, teens, and couples. Anonymity and privacy are key advantages for those hesitant about traditional therapy. BetterHelp provides a safe, discreet, and HIPAA-compliant environment. Overall, BetterHelp is excellent for anyone seeking affordable and flexible mental health support. Its user-friendly design, communication options, and personalized care make it a top choice for improving well-being. Check the links below to explore BetterHelp and take the first step towards better mental health today.